One of the things that makes it really hard to do is to actually maintain control going downstairs. And that's really important, because if you're going downstairs, which happens a lot in our day-to-day world, if you're falling into it because you've lost control, then you're really increasing your risk of injury. And it's something that you can start working on really slowly and safely, and it has a lot of really great effects. So it's called a Jefferson Step. I assume it was invented by some bloke called Jefferson. But the way that you start to keep it nice and easy, let's say you've really injured your knee, is you can hold on to something, you have your injured knee down, and then all you got to do is just step forward like that. See how that makes my knee bend? I'm working on my stability through here, makes my ankle bend, and then I'm coming back. When you're feeling better with that, you see if you go further, see I'm bending my knee more, I'm actually starting to get control when I'm going up and downstairs. Once I'm confident, I'll let go of the rail, and that's going to make me use all of my stabilizers in my hip, in my ankle. You're going to start getting some really good kind of tension through there. Once you're confident with that, and don't neglect the other leg, make sure you do both, that's when you can move to the step. So if you have a look at my ankle, if I go down the step, depending on how much range of motion I have in my ankles, when I come down, I have to lift that. So that's actually a really complicated movement. So you need to have ankle mobility, strength through here, control in the knee, and stability in the hip. And we use it all the time. So you're on your step, and all you've got to try and do is come down and touch. And then you're looking to come back up nice and slowly, and then come down and touch. Once you're feeling really confident, you let go of your grip, and then once again, that's really working your stabilizers. Build yourself up nice and slowly. Aim to do like 3 sets of 10. Obviously both legs. Now this can take some time to develop, but it's really worth doing because we go up and down steps a lot. And if you're fatigued and you don't have control going down that step, that's when a lot of people will re-injure themselves. And you can do it pretty easy if you've got a step, super easy. If you don't have a step, all you need to be able to do is just go a little bit further and just see